Compression testing is a fundamental type of mechanical testing used to determine a material's behavior under crushing loads. Compression tests are performed on a universal or dynamic fatigue testing machine and help manufacturers assess the integrity and safety of materials, components, and products. Concrete, composites, and corrugated materials such as cardboard are often used in a load-bearing capacity where their integrity under compressive forces is critical. Other materials, such as foam, play a key part in manufacturing consumer goods like mattresses and seat cushions. Compression tests are also performed on components during the manufacturing process. Springs can be found in almost any mechanical device, and components of consumer electronics are regularly tested before final assembly of the product takes place. Ensuring reliable and repeatable compressive properties is important to consumer safety. For example, medical injection devices are strictly regulated by the FDA to ensure they actuate under the appropriate compressive loads. Compression tests can be performed using a wide range of platens designed for different specimen types and sizes. Compression testing is used to determine properties such as elastic and proportional limits, yield point, yield strength, and compressive strength. Flexural testing, or bend testing, is a form of mechanical testing that can be performed on a universal testing machine or a dynamic fatigue testing system. Engineers use flexural testing to measure the behavior of materials subjected to simple beam loading. Common materials include plastics, wood, composites, and metals. While many people think of these materials as being brittle, they are often relatively ductile, which allows them to be used for support structures like skyscrapers, bridges, and even simple things like chairs, all of which experience flexural loads in everyday use. As a material bends or flexes, it is subjected to a complex combination of tensile, compressive, and shear forces. Because of this, bend testing is performed to mimic realistic loading situations. A bend test is performed using a 3-point or 4-point bend fixture, which apply force in different ways. Depending on requirements, a material can be tested to a specific load or strain limit, or until the specimen fails. Properties measured include flexural stress, flexural strain, flexural modulus, and flexural offset yield strength.